Did you know that bone broth has been used for centuries as a healing elixir? In fact, studies show that it's packed with nutrients that support digestion, immunity, and even joint health. Yet, in the modern diet, most people miss out on its powerful benefits. If you're struggling with issues like chronic inflammation, gut problems, or lack of energy, bone broth might just be the missing ingredient in your diet. Bone broth isn't just another health trend. It's a nutritional powerhouse with deep historical roots. From ancient Chinese medicine to the kitchens of our ancestors, bone broth has been used to nourish and heal the body for centuries. But in recent years, it has made a huge comeback, with celebrities, athletes, and health experts swearing by its benefits. The question is why? What makes bone broth so special? Let's dive into the reasons this simple, time-tested food can change your life. In today's fast-paced world, most of us are dealing with at least one health issue, whether it's digestive discomfort, weak joints, chronic fatigue, or skin problems. Modern diets are often lacking in the essential nutrients our bodies need to repair and thrive. We rely on processed foods, skip meals, and forget that our ancestors thrived on whole, nutrient-dense foods like bone broth. The good news? A simple cup of bone broth a day could be the natural solution to many of these common health concerns. So, what exactly makes bone broth so powerful? It's all about the nutrients packed into every sip. Number 1. Collagen and gelatin. Bone broth is one of the best natural sources of collagen, which plays a crucial role in maintaining healthy skin, hair, nails, and joints. As we age, our collagen production decreases, leading to wrinkles and joint pain. Drinking bone broth regularly helps replenish this essential protein, keeping you looking and feeling younger. Number 2. Amino acids for healing. Bone broth is rich in amino acids like glycine, proline, and glutamine, which aid in digestion, reduce inflammation, and support muscle recovery. Glycine, in particular, plays a key role in brain function and sleep quality, helping you feel more rested and focused. Number 3. Gut health and digestion. If you struggle with bloating, leaky gut, or digestive issues, bone broth could be a game changer. The gelatin in bone broth helps repair the gut lining, improving nutrient absorption and reducing symptoms of gut-related disorders. It's one of the most soothing foods for the digestive system, making it a staple for those dealing with IBS or food sensitivities. Number 4. Joint and bone support. Thanks to its high levels of glucosamine and chondroitin, bone broth provides essential building blocks for joint health. Many people who suffer from arthritis or chronic joint pain find that incorporating bone broth into their routine reduces stiffness and discomfort over time. Number 5. Immune system boost. Bone broth contains minerals like zinc, magnesium, and calcium, which are crucial for a strong immune system. When you're feeling under the weather, sipping on warm bone broth can help your body fight off illness and recover more quickly. Number 6. Detoxification and liver health. The amino acids in bone broth, particularly glycine, support the body's natural detoxification process. This means that drinking bone broth can help your liver function optimally, flushing out toxins and keeping your body in balance. Number 7. Improved sleep and mental clarity. Struggling with brain fog or restless nights? Bone broth's glycine content has been shown to promote relaxation and improve sleep quality. By calming the nervous system, it helps you wake up feeling more refreshed and alert. Number 8. Weight management and satiety. Bone broth is low in calories but rich in nutrients, making it an excellent addition to any weight management plan. It keeps you feeling full and satisfied, reducing cravings and helping you maintain a healthy metabolism. Number 9. Hydration and electrolyte balance. Unlike many store-bought broths, homemade bone broth is rich in natural electrolytes, keeping you hydrated and energized. It's especially beneficial for those who follow a low-carb or intermittent fasting lifestyle. Number 10. Skin and anti-aging benefits. The collagen and hyaluronic acid in bone broth support skin elasticity, reducing fine lines and wrinkles. Many people notice a natural glow and smoother complexion after regularly consuming bone broth. Number 11. Affordable and easy to make. Unlike expensive supplements, bone broth is one of the most cost-effective ways to improve your health. You can make it at home with simple ingredients like leftover bones, vegetables, and water, creating a nourishing elixir for just pennies per serving. Number 12. Enhancing athletic performance and recovery. Athletes and fitness enthusiasts have started embracing bone broth due to its ability to speed up muscle recovery. The amino acids and minerals help repair tissues, reduce soreness, and prevent injuries, making it a perfect post-workout drink. Number 13. Strengthening hair and nails. Many people don't realize that brittle nails and thinning hair can be signs of nutrient deficiencies. The collagen and keratin-boosting properties of bone broth help promote stronger, healthier hair and nails over time. Number 14. Supporting heart health. Glycine, one of the key amino acids in bone broth, has been linked to improved cardiovascular health. It helps regulate blood pressure, reduces inflammation in arteries, and supports overall heart function. If you're still skeptical about bone broth's benefits, let's talk about real-life results. Many people have reported drastic improvements in their health just by adding bone broth to their diet. Some have reversed years of joint pain, while others have healed their gut issues and improved their skin's appearance. Even celebrities like Kobe Bryant and Gwyneth Paltrow have raved about how bone broth has transformed their health. The key takeaway? This isn't just hype. Bone broth has real, scientifically backed benefits that can truly change your life. One incredible story is that of Sarah, a busy mother of two who struggled with chronic fatigue, joint pain, and digestive problems for years. After trying countless diets and supplements with little success, she decided to incorporate bone broth into her daily routine. Within weeks, she noticed significant improvements: more energy, fewer digestive issues, and even clearer skin. Now she swears by bone broth as a crucial part of her health regimen. We've covered a lot today, from gut health to glowing skin to better sleep. The bottom line? Bone broth is an ancient remedy with modern benefits that support almost every aspect of your health. Whether you're dealing with joint pain, digestive issues, or just want to boost your overall well-being, bone broth is a simple yet powerful addition to your diet. By making bone broth a daily habit, you're giving your body the essential nutrients it needs to heal, repair, and function at its best. With so many benefits and such an easy preparation process, there's really no reason not to give it a try. Now I want to hear from you. Have you tried drinking bone broth before? What benefits have you noticed? Drop a comment below and share your experience. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need to benefit from introducing bone broth into their diet. And as always, thank you for listening, and we'll see you next time.